Hey guys, it's DJ at Vapor Honing Technology. So, is vapor honing a gentle process? Well, let's take this Pepsi can today, turn the pressure down on one of our vapor hones, and use a glass bead to polish off all this paint. And hopefully, by the end of this, it's not dented. Let's take a look at the process now. All right, and we're back. So as you can see, vapor honing was able to strip away the paint and actually gave a little bit of a polish to this area right here. What we had to do is we had to turn down the pressure down to about 30 or 40 and use a glass bead abrasive. But we were able to get this pretty nice result actually. Now being at a low pressure, it'll take longer to get rid of the paint, but on something so delicate, you definitely want to take your time. But if you have any other questions, please give us a call at 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.